All right, YouTube, welcome back, everyone. So this is really ugly before it gets finished. So your goal here is to weld all the holes all the way in without overheating the metal around it. So that's why you're gonna do a couple spots, spot, 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 let it cool, spot, 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 let it cool, spot, 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 let it cool. And then you can clean it up as you go just to see what you're dealing with here. And then of course you're gonna lay a thin layer of mud over this to get it so it looks good. I have this filled in and contoured. I didn't finish this up, so I'm not sure what I wanna do with this yet. Probably just gonna cut it off because it looks like it was just barely rolled over here. Or I might just roll it over, depends on how that works out. But it's gonna be really ugly before you finish it. And then once I get all these holes filled in, and then I'll get this weld smooth with the metal all the way down, and it'll be one continuous piece of metal there. And then I'll go back inside of here and I'll tack weld these back to the inner skin. I probably put a little bit more than it should have been in there, but that's okay. Once I weld it in and grind it smooth, you won't see it. Plus I'll tap it back because I have the fenders rolled a little bit. Thanks for watching, everyone.